Here are 6 tasks that were assigned to me. I already assigned the functions I'll use for each one, and I'll show you how to use them so you can master text manipulation as quick as light. Let's get right into the video. We can easily extract the local part of an email address using left with find. We first need to type in the formula for left. After that, for the text argument, we'll simply select the cell with the email address. And for the second argument, we'll just type in find and look for the position of the special character at. And then subtract it by 1. Because if we don't subtract it by 1, this happens. So yeah, unless you somehow want the at character extracted as well, always remember to subtract it by 1. Now for the second task, we first need to type in the formula for right. Then for the text argument, we'll select the cell containing the employee's email address. Next, in the non-cars argument, we'll get the length of the entire email address using the length function. And then subtract the length of the text by the position of where the special character at was found using find. The reason why we need to subtract length by find is that find's search starts from the left. And so the subtraction part, it's necessary to basically reverse the find function and start searching from the right. As you can see, we have successfully extracted the email domain. If you want to include a special character at, just add in +1. This follows the exact rules of extracting email domains, but this time, we look for the period character. If you want to include the period or dot, you can simply type in +1 as well. If you didn't know already, substitute can also be used to replace other characters and even strings of text. Here, I want to replace all email domains with Yahoo to Gmail. We first need to type in the formula for substitute, as with any other function. Then for the text argument, we'll simply select the text we want to perform the substitute operation on. After that, to let all text, we'll type in Yahoo and close with double quotation marks. The double quotation marks just means that this Yahoo is considered as text, and not actually a formula or something. Now for the new text, it just simply means that string of text I'll replace the instances of old text with. So here, I'll type in Gmail and closed with double quotation marks. After all the essential arguments have been filled, we can close off the formula. And as you can see, every Yahoo email domain has been substituted to Gmail. Using substitute, we can easily remove spaces in strings of text. We first need the string of text as the first argument. Next, for the old text argument, we'll type in the space character surrounded by double quotation marks. And for the new text argument, we'll simply type in double quotation marks with absolutely nothing in it. This whole formula means that substitute will replace all instances of space characters with nothingness. And if we close it and hit enter, the formula works perfectly. As you can see, there is an extra space at random instances in the full name of every customer. A useful function for this kind of situation is trim. What trim does is that it removes any form of excess space. So in cases where there are 2 or more consecutive space characters, it removes them. To use the function, we obviously need to type in the formula for it. And the only argument it requires is the text to perform trimming on. We can close off this formula just like that. And now, all the excess space is removed. And this video will tell you in a bit more detail about other text-related functions. You can also learn 5 of the most essential formulas you need to know to basically solve any kind of problem in Excel in this video right here. Once again, this was Minimalism Excel, and I hope to see you next time.